Welcome back to C2s and K5s. I'm going to make a short update video on the electric steering. Somebody had asked if I could do like a 6-month update, and I'm going to do that right now. As you can tell, yeah, I put the old steering wheel back on it, but it is summertime in Phoenix, and that billet aluminum steering wheel literally was untouchable in the summer. Even if I put a shade on it or I parked in the shade, whatever, like the heat from that thing was almost unbearable. Like I had to drive with gloves on because it was so hot. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is. I know that a bigger steering wheel is going to make it easier to steer without power steering, but as many of you know, it's still kind of a pain in the ass driving a vehicle with no power steering. And as you can see, I'm making all these turns single-handedly. And if you're watching this for the first time, I put a electric steering assist motor out of a 2017 Kia Soul, and it's a popular upgrade for some hot rodders, because what they're doing is they're just grafting it into their steering column or like underneath the dash. I put mine in the engine bay and just fabricated a mount, and literally you need 3 wires. You need a power, a ground, and you need a key hot battery, and that's it. You turn it on, it gets power to the motor, and it's not like driving a brand new car with power steering, but this is night and day difference from what it used to be like. So I'll just keep showing you. I'll drive around some neighborhood streets here where I can do a whole bunch of turns for you. Okay. Oops, sorry, doing 2 hands. That's just a weird bump there. I think one of my next upgrades is going to have to be a new new steering gear, because I know that that's got to be the original, and that thing's pretty tore up. It's just pretty old and worn out. So, get some more residential streets here. Right in that guy's driveway. That's pretty sweet. Here we go. Make a big old U-turn, one-handed. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. hit subscribe and like, and keep watching for more videos on the truck and the Corvette.